Bro, wait a minute. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? This is my house. What are you doing in my house, bro? What you sitting there for? Hey, you got to leave. What you talking about? I gotta leave. This is my house. You got to get up out of here. Nah, come on now. Hey, who are you? I'm you. First, what are you talking about? I cut hair. I'm 360 Jeezy. No. I'm 360 Jeezy. No, what? No. I'm 360 Jeezy. Don't nobody know who you are. Everybody know me. I'm dressed the part. Come on now. I'm at the house. I'm chilling. I got this small little t-shirt on. I got my sweats on. Bro, that is a small Come on now. But don't you realize I got the same sweater that you got on to match those sweats? I don't. Come on now. I'm 360 Jeezy. I make all type of YouTube videos. I hear what you're saying. You look like me. I know. I look like you. Honest with you. I'm trying to tell you. You look like me. But bro, you can't be here. You got to go. Bro, it's so much stuff I gotta do at work. Go on and film that cut. Because bro, you don't belong here. What you mean I don't belong here? To be honest with you, matter of fact, give me that cup. Set it right there on the counter. My dang cup. You gonna drink my coffee? Go to work. I'll listen to you for now. But I better have my dinner ready and everything when I come back here. So before I start the cut, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the hair out. He actually has waves up under here, so he's trying to get waves with this kind of, diagonal mohawk that he got going on with the dreads. And before y'all get on his head, listen, he's a barber. He's doing something different. He does not care what other people think. You know what I'm saying? He is a person that rides his own wave. So before y'all go off in the comment section, just know that this takes guts. So right now I'm going with my number 2 with the lever open, and I'm going with the grain. As you see, he has waves underneath it. What he's trying to do is have waves on the top and this mohawk dread look in the back. So right now he's explaining to me that he wants a V in the back. He wants to come to a point. He wants the other side to be lined up to separate the dreads from the waves. Alright, now starting off with the taper, I'm going to be using my Babyliss Skeleton FX trimmers, and I'm going to set in the bald line in a rainbow-like shape. HustleDreamProduction. Now using my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch in that rainbow-like shape. Now keep in mind that I have the Endis blade on here. I do not have the wall clippers on here, so I'm able to put the Endis guards on my clippers.
Now putting on the number 1 guard in that same rainbow-like shape, going up about a 1/2 inch. I'm going over the guideline multiple times to make sure it's at that 1 guard with the lever open length. Now putting on the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm basically just clearing up that area at the top, kind of debulking that area, not really setting in a guideline, but just taking it down to where it blends in nicely. Coming back down with the 1 guard with the lever open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2 in a flick out motion using my corners. Now with the 0 guard closed in a flick out motion using only my corners, I'm flicking out that middle line. Remember to start below the line and flick to the line. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. I'm using my corners the whole entire time. If you need to baby step this, what you can do is you can set the lever in the middle and kind of soften that line up first before you actually fully close the lever. So the most important part of a blend is how well you can detail. What I like to do is I like to rest my eyes, take a look away from the blend for a couple of seconds, refresh my eyes, come back to it, and then start doing some corner work. Use different guards in areas where I know that I can get those bulk areas out. Also, you can use the mirror. The mirror tells you everything you need to know in just a different way. I don't know what it is. It's just the mirror. It gives you a different viewpoint on the blend, so make sure you utilize those tips because detailing is the most important part of getting your fade to that next level. So like my client was explaining to me in the beginning, he wanted that V part in the back, which kind of separates the hair from the mohawk. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use the same steps that I used on the sides to fade and taper the back. So I'm just gonna speed this part up. So right now I'm gonna take out my clips because I want the hair to hang over on the other side, and it's just clearing out that area where I need to set the part in. So right now I'm gonna set the part in, and I'm basically separating the waves from the dreads. And remember, when you're doing a part, there's two parts to the sides, right? There's the side that I'm working on now, and then there's the other side. Make sure you line up both sides to get both sides crispy.
HustleDreamProduction.
So before I start the lineup, I like to spray the hair with hairspray. That way it locks the hair in place, and you know, when you line it, it gives that ash mark, or it just leaves the hair looking way more crispier. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
We make it look easy.
You too, this is the cut. Listen, you may not agree with it, but if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button. If you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram, that's TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy, and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360